In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tags and categories in WordPress. So first thing, you need to log into your WordPress admin, then you head over to posts, then you come here to categories. Then from here, you can write your post category. If you don't have a category, WordPress will automatically categorize your blog posts under uncategorized. So now, since this is an interior design, I'll just say first categories be tips and tricks. Then the slug will automatically generate. So you can write a description that is category interior design tips and tricks. So I'll click on add new category. When I do, you can see that the category will be there and the slug will be created there. So when I'm creating a blog post, I can go here on all posts. And I can add a new post. And then from here, for example, I'll say 5 ways to make your interior space look expensive. Then from here, you can write some content. You can use ChatGPT to generate this post just for this example. I'll head over to ChatGPT and I'll tell it to write an article on 5 ways to make your interior space look expensive. So after that, I'll copy the blog post that ChatGPT has written. I'll come here and I'll just paste it here. So we can customize it later. We can add here the headings and paragraphs, etc. Then here we scroll down and go to categories. You can see the categories, tips and tricks are there. So I'll just check it. And then with tags, we can add the tags here and we can just say interior design and press enter. Luxury spaces, press enter, and that is how we add tags. After that, you can just go up here and publish your post. And that is your post link. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you how you can create a category with WordPress.